Hello guys, I'm gonna make some papaitan for today. This is the menu while it's icy outside. Mix natin muna yan. Yan ang hallelujah and onions. Mix. Tapos ilalagay na natin yung meat. Yung beef. Ilagay ko na yung beef. That's the beef. Tapos yung lutuin mo lang siya. Palutuin mo kaunti. Tapos lagyan mo na ng sabaw. Tapos next mo ilalagay yung laman loob ng baka. Yan yung laman loob ng baka.